Hi everyone, I am down here at Dog Beach in San Diego, California. I've actually never been here. I've never had a dog. I've always had cats. I'm really glad I came. There are so many people down here with their dogs playing. They're throwing tennis balls. You can see the Ocean Beach pier there with some waves crashing. The waves are pretty good today, actually. Beautiful blue sky today. It's almost about to turn winter and we have beautiful weather here almost all year long. I'm panning north. That goes over to Pacific Beach and beyond. Let's watch those dogs and the waves for a minute. Have a blessed day, everyone.